Hi guys, we're back with another video. This is our sixth episode. And this
The
episode
guest couldn't
we're gonna
come.
hopefully get 100,000 nuts. August.
We're not gonna gain 100,000. We're gonna get to 100,000. We have about 80,000 at the moment, and yeah, we're gonna hope for 100,000.
Yeah, we need 20,000, which isn't like impossible, but it's gonna be pretty hard.
I mean, the second episode we made 20,000.
Yeah.
I mean, the last episode we made like 20,000. But you like just posted. By the way, the special guest could not come. He was busy.
Again.
We're still not gonna reveal who it was, but yeah. Let's get right into the video.
I mean, well, why would it matter who it is? It's not like he's like a YouTuber with 10 million subscribers.
Yeah. He doesn't even have a YouTube channel. I don't think.
It's one of August's friends.
Ogie, come on, kill Ogie. Close.
Cologne. August, you on it?
No.
So I have 3 crowbars now. August, I can't use the triple sword technique. I cannot put a crowbar in my mouth. Do you realize that?
Okay, go to Armstrong Camp.
It exploded. No, it didn't. I lied.
Oh, grappler. My turn. Dude.
Yeah. Guys, I'm very tired of explaining everything. So if you don't know what's going on or anything, or if you're confused about something, just go and watch the intros to the other episodes.
Yeah. There's a lot of stuff going on.
Yeah.
With all of our goals and stuff.
But in summary, we just want to try to get 1 million nuts in the new old map. Well, wait, I don't know.
Careful. Why is Skywalker in here?
I wonder what happens if you touch the lava. Does it just evaporate? Yo, Chorkamidoo.
Didn't die.
Why is the Chorkamidoo still alive, bro?
Oh, I
hate the Chorkamidoo.
Oh wait, the egg's over here. Hang on the gold bar. What do you hate?
I hate the Chorkamidoo.
Chorky Magoo?
The Chorkamidoo.
The Chorky Ragoon?
It's chicken in Ethan language. Guys, last time.
Chicken in language?
Guys, our like best thing to get, like the rarest item, is probably a nut shredder. Well, I don't know if it's rarest, but definitely best.
Yeah, because we can hold so many more things. Like we can hold like 8,000 worth of it, and we got one last episode.
Yeah, it was our first nut
you
shredder.
Should definitely watch. Fire.
Wouldn't exactly say fire. Not one of our best episodes, but.
This is a pretty good episode. At the start, there was some trauma. And at the end, there was trauma. In the middle, there was trauma. But we got past that. We duped it! Again!
Wait, I have an idea. Okay, dude. Move. Look. I'm gonna put this, like, right here. It's a shotgun, so it might not work, but... Look.
Wait, if we do it right, We could dupe the backpack that I have on my back full of stuff.
I don't really want to do that.
Yeah.
Oh, August!
Yeah, no.
August.
Oh. Good.
Okay, wait.
Oh, I thought that was you that just fell over. And brutally died.
Where's
Be
Sharkin?
careful, there's
Where on earth is charcoal?
there's a green bean thing.
Where's charcoal? Where's the charcoal nest? Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Dang it. Okay.
Can I have that? I lost my Pokemon. Oh, I'm so heavy. It's kind of getting scary.
Oh, bomb, wait.
Oh. I shot more from the wall, so if I missed it. Yeah, just throw it. Sharp launcher.
Yo, right as you looked away, there's a charcoal.
Oh, my backpack's full. Like, try to bring some of this stuff.
I have everything, so just
Get that gem, get this gem.
I told my backpack's full. Let me here. So alright, get this gem.
Well, I'll get this full bar.
Here, August. Hold this. I'm gonna go kill a chicken with my 2 crowbars.
Oh, hold it. We'll keep it safe. Oh god, careful. Bombs over there.
GG's.
Oh god.
Alright. Come in.
Ruby incoming!
Skinwalker's dead too.
Wait bro, there's other good stuff here. Like there's a bunch of other valuable things. There's
Like
no
what?
way.
Here,
That.
look, just there. Okay.
Like, get all the valuables.
Alright, wait. Where's the other? Oh. Where's?
Wait, no, come on.
I know.
There's a
just
trophy
wait.
still. There's a trophy gem.
I know, August. Alright,
It's full.
it is.
Go back. Unload.
This is gonna be a good run.
Oh, yeah. Especially for 2 people. Like. Oh jeez, I forgot I had 2 eggs in there. Hope you like gold and ruby flavored scrambled eggs. I'm hoping for a decent one. I think that'll be a pretty good one. Oh my gosh! That was like 5,000!
That's what 1,000. For me, it's 1,000 more than our duo record.
Come on, we gotta keep going. Come on.
Yeah.
Try to speed run this.
Like the only 2 separate like records are the record with the nut shredder and without. Anything else is in the same category. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Where are you? Here. Take that. I'm gonna go kill chicken. Hopefully I get a weapon.
No, we don't need you.
I'm going to. Emery. There's no way. Guys, he got a lightsaber. Guys, he just got a lightsaber. Can I have that crowbar back? Or no?
Yeah, I dropped it right here. Just the
Guys, he got a lightsaber. Yeah, it's really good. And I'm pretty sure it glows. It glows at least a
one of the best. I'm gonna kill chicken, no worries.
Wait, show it to the viewers.
Kill chicken and Skinwalker. This is lightsaber.
Yeah, it's very cool.
W.
Very W.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's pretty rare. I mean, there's a lot of things you can get, so. Yeah.
Series. And I don't fully mean that in a good way.
Yeah, prior experiences.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Wait, we're supposed to see mine, right?
We need quality and quantity.
Good? Good? Yeah, as you can see, we get a lot of bones.
Boom.
Throw it down there. Throw it down there, Ron. Pull the pin. We'll do that. I mean, sure. I just watched you die.
I'm not actually sure how it like exploded. Did it like hit the back? Wait, did it? Well. Yep.
Hey, chicken. Oh, the chicken's running from me. He knows that I have a lightsaber. I was just thinking it in my head, and the second I was thinking it, I got a nut shredder.
Guys, oh my god. Alright, viewers.
I was thinking, imagine I get a nut shredder from
He got a nut shredder. He got a nut shredder. We're definitely getting 20k. I think, at least. Okay, that means I'm gonna get even the not so valuable items. Because, you know, it doesn't.
I can just shred though. It's not about the capacity that it can hold, it's about the money, the amount of money.
Yeah. I'm getting every single item. No, I'm not even gonna ignite that. There's just, I think you know this. It's a cluster grenade. Yo, August, come over here. There's 2 trophies in gold bar. Yeah, that's 1 trophy, and there's a gold bar and the trophy over here. And wait, August, come here.
Its crate just disappeared.
August.
That was that.
August. Nice. Here. No, you did. No, you did. You did. Never mind. Okay, so don't try this. Hopefully we stay this consistent for Oh!
That jump was insane.
Yeah.
Why are there 2 green beams in each of the... Oh, wow. I'll honestly let you have my lightsaber, because I'm a nut shredder. I'm kind of in a happy mood and stuff.
Yeah, and
And I kind of already have a grappler, too.
yeah, you're like
And the
stacked.
fact that I already found 4 trophies, and I haven't even checked the last one.
Yeah, you're like insane. Ooh. I'm gonna back up a little.
No, just shoot it. Wait, no.
Oh wait, there's a.
No, I wanted to shred that.
Okay, well I could just shoot it and then shred.
I don't recommend shooting it down there.
Oh, Skinwalker,
Chicken can respawn.
Skinwalker. I know a Skinwalker respawned somewhere. I know it's here somewhere. I knew it.
Oh wait,
Hang on, wait. Let me shoot it.
he's right there.
Never mind. I'm too close now. Okay, shred. There's 3 items waiting for you. You tricking me, boy, Jack. You don't know. No, never mind. Don't care. August? Wait, get the ruby behind the Skinwalker.
Oh, I thought the skin was holding it when I looked back and saw it.
August, look. Also,
Thank
August,
God I didn't shred that.
August, here. Oh! It spawns on my... Oh!
What the heck? Oh my God. So we'll save it though. We'll save it.
Yeah. Nice. Guys, I guess this might be just a lucky episode. Very lucky episode.
Yeah.
We got a grappler, a lightsaber, and 2 nut shredders. Not 1, but 2.
Yeah, that's kind of sweet. Gotta get this stuff to respawn.
Okay, let me kill this guy. Oh! Thank you, Red Mom! That's so kind of you.
chicken's not happy. Nope.
Oh,
What?
I died.
You died?
Yeah. Probably. I'm gonna buy 2 rockets. You know, speed up the process. Ooh.
I'm not sure that was really anyway.
Got the nut shredder back. I'm about to get the lightsaber. Got the lightsaber. Everything has been. Man, I hate these bombs and I love them at the same time. Not cluster grenades. But because they could sometimes come back and kill you, you know? Oh, trophy? Ruby? Ruby.
Wait, my nut shredder's full.
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, wait.
Do a little bit more for yours.
No, let's go back. I don't, okay. I want to I got it, don't worry. Alright, go. Alright, don't go. Wait. Let me? Red bomb. Go. Wait, let me get the gold bar.
Skinwalker!
Kill it. Go away.
I don't have anything.
Oh.
Go. Red bomb's going insane, I think.
Okay. Do you want these crowbars? Because I'm not going to use them.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, you sell?
Wait. No, I forgot. I don't sell my nut shredder. Alright. So guys, this is already going to be half of what we need. And we already have the second nut shredder. So as long as anything doesn't go wrong... I guess they're not 10,000. I guess remained around.
We have 92,000. We have 92,000. Sorry.
Yeah. That feels like cheating, to be honest, because we're both getting the same money. Like, it's not, like, split between... If it was split between us, like, if what we sold were 20K, we both got 10K, then
Even.
we could probably count that.
Oh, do you mind if I take the nut shredder, though? Because since I have the grappler,
Yeah.
I have a better chance of not dying.
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
You're the one who thought I was... You're the one who thought I had the IQ. Why are there 2 Armstrongs?
Just don't worry about it. I'm coming.
No, 2.
See one. Oh, there's 2! I died. They comboed me.
Died?
Yeah, they comboed
They
me.
both punched you.
Yeah. Like I was like, oh, there's just one. I could kill this. And then one just ran up to me and just uppercut me. I killed both. Oh my god!
Let me guess. You got a shot of grapple. I wish in real life you could have seen the face I was making. The face was weird looking.
Oh!
Nope.
Nope.
Heck no.
I feel pretty safe with this thing.
Yeah, well, other than the fact that you could end up shooting your dad.
Yeah, but at the same time...
That landmine press down?
No. Ooh, wait, there's a gold bar down here. No, that's ruby, never mind. August, can you come down? There's a ruby right here, and I forgot to bring a backpack, so it's pretty annoying, but I can be protected. August, I'll be like the sacrifice. Because you have all the... No, like not like, yeah, like defense, but I'll go to the point where if I have to sacrifice, I will.
Okay, ruby, toilet paper, ruby.
August, ruby. Two rubies. And a crate.
Gold trophy.
There's a crate and 2 rubies over here.
Let me go over here real quick.
And there's another crate over here. Crate coming! Did you see that?
He just landed in my nut shredder.
The crate?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let me. I wonder if this thing's gonna shred for a lot. Hang on. Wait. Hang on. Wait. Put your nut shredder out and like point it towards me. All right. Now wait. Let me see.
Well, that's pretty good amount.
Yeah. I mean, it is literally a double RPG.
Yeah.
I think that might be the rarest thing. I don't know. Dude, this is definitely... I'm gonna like put the title as like...
Bro, whoa.
I'm gonna put the title as like something to...
I just shredded my grappler accidentally.
Don't... Okay. How much... Wait, what is it at? What is your nut shredder at? Oh, it's almost done. Almost done.
I won't go over there.
I think this is gonna be our luckiest episode for the whole series.
Just wait. Just keep it safe.
All right, there's 2 gold bars right here.
Okay, yeah. You keep it safe, okay?
Yeah, and then
Make sure like a skinwalker won't. I don't know.
Okay, so where you're at, obviously there's 2 gold bars, and then on the other path, there's a ruby.
Okay, look at the ruby. It's fun if I die because I don't have enough.
Yeah, very smart of you to not you know.
Oh, yeah, I don't have the right to what problem? At least I don't have the survival instinct.
Here,
so
look. Look.
Oh.
Okay, the problem with Dude, is your nut shredder full?
I don't know if it's fully full.
Alright, wait.
Pretty full.
Alright. Wait. Just oh, nut. Nut.
We'll go.
I walk in the walls. August, look. August, look behind you. Never mind.
Can't.
Nothing.
We have a plunder can. Wait, the can was doing it. The can.
Oh yeah, that was pretty weird last time. August, I'm bringing you a trophy. Also, chicken is back. So, here. Let me see.
It's not full. If it's full, it'll stop spinning, like the shredders will stop spinning.
Okay, let me kill this guy. Frick. Definitely. Alright, go back there and check. I'm gonna go kill chicken again. I have an RPG ready. Got it. Didn't get it. Got it.
Okay.
Dad. We're pretty late, but basically we want to get 20,000 and we are gonna get 20,000. Because we got 2 nut shredders, we had a grappler, we got a double RPG, and not like 2 RPGs. It was this super sick, like, double RPG. And then we also got a light.
Even I think we.
Oh my god!
What? I can't see.
We have my dad now, so it'll be easier to fill up.
And this video might go viral since like we hit 100K and stuff. Like we're about to get 100K after the south. As long as we get 740,000 or 7,400.
All right.
Like we should get at least 8,000.
So my dad just joined us, guys. Yep, pretty nice.
We have
101,000.
101,000.
Yes, let's go.
We hit 100,000. Let's go.
But we're
bro.
not ending the episode there. We have a fully.
Well, we're 1/10 of the way done.
We have a fully empty, beautiful, clean, smooth nut shredder.
Oh yeah. We're not done with this episode.
Yeah.
Especially not if that's the case.
So, August.
Yep.
No, you handle these things. You should handle these things.
So what should I do to?
I don't have a grappler though.
Why'd you sell the grapple?
What?
Did you sell it?
I told you I accidentally shredded it.
Oh, I didn't hear that. Okay. I don't trust my dad with it. So, I don't know.
Oh yeah. Do not trust him.
Well.
You know, you can trust me with it even though I don't have a grappler because I'm smart with it.
Yeah, okay. I'm not smart at all. Just give me your backpack. Dad? Are you good? Dad? What just happened?
I may just put it on a hole in the wall.
Your dad can defend me, but if we're gonna do this, we gotta do it real quick.
Okay, well, wait.
You're gonna have to buy me stuff. Give me a lance.
What's wrong with it?
Is that a lightsaber?
Yeah. If you think this is
I'm
cool,
quite lucky today.
if this is if you think that's cool, you should have seen that double RPG.
Oh yeah. I mean, I've seen them before.
Yeah, I have. I just completely forgot about them. And
Earlier today, I got a Viking shield.
oh yeah, I got it like twice this whole series.
Well, I don't know which Viking shield it was. It might
Wait,
have been Varangian.
let me
It might have
recite. Let me recite what we've gotten. I'm gonna put it. I'm
been-
gonna
Varangian's my favorite.
at the end of the video. I'm gonna like give a list of the rare items we got. So far, we've gotten 3 nut shredders, a double RPG, a lightsaber, and a grappler.
Three nut shredders. Remember at the start of the video, we said, like, the rarest item that we've gotten, basically, like, that we've gotten the luckiest with has been the nut shredder because of how great it was. And in the same episode we said that, we ended up getting 3 nut shredders. Yeah, we got 20 minutes.
August, hang on. Wait, August,
Your dad hit
August, go into the corner. Go in the corner. I'm gonna shoot chicken. All right, August. Take this.
Okay.
Take this.
Oh, why do we keep getting explosives?
August. Just be. Yeah.
Oh, knife. Trophy, ruby.
Dad.
Do not touch it!
I have a feeling you're gonna hit that.
That has... Yeah.
I have a feeling you're gonna hit that.
Why don't you go over there and, like, collect items?
Yeah.
Just whatever you do, do not touch the nut shredder.
Yeah. It will like.
If you end up doing that, you better pray that it doesn't hit it very far. Or at least not into the wall.
Yo, trophy and ruby.
Yeah, I threw the trophy over there.
Oh.
We already actually have a decent amount.
Well, it's already been our best video, I think. No, it hasn't, but it's gonna be.
Just barely not.
Yeah.
It's going to be a beautiful nut shredder.
August! It just fell into the.
It
August!
didn't even hit me. Oh. We try not to hit the nut shredder.
I know. I'm being very careful as I can. I do not want to lose our opportunity to get through.
A CAP. As careful as possible. A cap. As careful as possible.
I love that there's no entities at the lava pillars.
Oh my gosh, Mom! Oh my.
I died. From. Yeah, but it was through the wall. So you can't even blame me. And I'm not really using my backpack. It's like. Well, guys, the title of this video is probably something like, we got a ton of, money with rare drops in this, in episode 6, something like that. But we can only, okay, yeah, and then, best, so the title's gonna be best episode yet, and then, in, parentheses, episode 6, trying to get 1,000,000 nuts. Not long at all. Yeah.
I have to get in the shower. shower so we can do it. Hopefully.
Yeah, when you get out of the shower, it should be done.
What's your face?
I'll kill.
Don't shoot him. Don't shoot him whatsoever.
I was very tempted to, just so you know.
Yeah, I know. But
My God, he wants your money.
yeah. Shoot down here.
Here. Oh.
Oh. Genuinely could have used that. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, nice. Yeah, put it here. Oh. Don't move it. Keep it there. Just don't let it fall. Lose it all. Wait, why did that rhyme?
Don't let it fall and lose it all. Ooh, shotgun. That's gonna be very useful.
The Coke can. Wait, can we recreate it is the question though.
Hang on, wait.
Wait, we did! We genuinely just recreated it. If you don't remember from the first episode,
Yeah, August.
and then it stopped right there.
Yeah. Look, here.
Look, we have more than half. We have a decent amount, bud.
Ooh, I'm bringing your August, here. The good part is I don't think the landmines respawn. August?
Yeah?
I don't think the landmines respawn, so that's good. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure, but I don't really remember it spawning back. Okay, shred the Coke can, and then there's ammo next to it.
That sounded a little bit different than it should have. The Coke can. Give me.
Dad, don't mess with the. Don't mess with the.
Drop it.
All right, get that gold. Oh, guys! How, bro? Because it lags, I survived. I was gonna
The
sacrifice.
second it
What?
Oh, you almost fell in the lava. I saw that.
Wait, what happened?
my right controller glitched. I was right in the corner there, and I almost touched the lava.
Bro.
That shredder would have been gone.
August.
I had to because the bomb was
Wait,
there.
is it done? No.
Yeah. I just closed it.
Very close. Chicken!
That's fine.
Woo! Oh my God, I'm so sorry! Dad, I'm so sorry!
Oh, did you just kill your dad?
Well, like, I shot in the direction I normally do.
Well, I know you definitely killed him, whether it was on accident or
Look,
on
come
purpose,
here.
'cause you have red one.
Like, I shoot where you normally shoot, which is like, you know, behind the teleporting pad, and then he jumps out of the side, and he hits the ball.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
You just killed your own father.
I'm so sorry, Dad.
I'm shredding it. The remains of what killed him. And we don't need it.
No, don't, Dad.
It's pretty full.
Dad, don't come back. Don't come back. It's almost full.
Just need a couple more. Wait, there's a gold bar.
Wait, landmine.
I recognize that shit. And a trophy! Alright, nice that chick.
What?
Chicken. Ethan, you should kill chicken.
I'll wait until you're ready. So it doesn't, you know.
Oh. Ooh, gold bar.
What?
Gold bar. Gold bar. Brew. No, more. Nice, it's full.
It's full? Okay, wait. Let me kill a chicken. I'm half, but I should be fine. Alright, wait, red bomb's coming. Hang on, wait.
Skinwalker's right here, too. Oh, crap.
That lag saved me.
Skinwalker, use it as ping pong.
Go. Teleport back. I'll kill it. Just teleport back.
No,
Go back. Press it whenever you get there.
holy.
Oh my god. 30,000 in one episode. Dad, don't stay in there.
I don't know. Yeah, sure. I'll come with you. In a second. Dad already offered, but I'm a little hungrier now.
Right.
Insane.
Wow.
We gained a whole 30,000 basically.
Absolute gorilla.
We have 110,000.
Absolute nuts.
Yeah, let's do an outro or whatever.
Alright, well, Dad, come dance for the outro. Yeah. Alright, bye guys. Hope you guys like the super rare, very, very, very efficient and productive video. Goodbye.
Yeah, it was great.